Hi, this is Michael with Qustodio. Thank you for joining me today on this tutorial of Questodio's activity timeline. We're going to go ahead and take a look at Questodio's activity timeline report. The activity timeline report is broken up into 6 different filters. Let's first take a look at the activity timeline tab. Here you will be able to see all of your users' activity in order from day, time, how much time is spent, and on what device. You will see a combination of web both allowed, blocked, and questionable activity, apps, calls, and SMS text messages, as well as location updates. This makes it very easy to understand your user's device usage. If you click on the website or an app, you will see a drop-down list of rules that can be applied immediately. Under each website that has been viewed, you'll be able to see the category that the website filter falls under. Under website category, you will see load more details. Click on it. It will give you the website details and the link visited. The activity timeline makes it very easy to understand your user's device usage and set up new rules as new problems are detected. Now remember, you can also go ahead and filter by specific category. This is the conclusion of our tutorial, and I hope it has been helpful.